purposes. But like, I'm letting it go once I'm done with the makeup, for sure. Like this. I mean, like, I don't like it either, but they have to move them somehow, so they don't bother me. It's like the more bobby pins I put on my head. Ew. I'm supposed to be fixing the mess, but it's just looking. This is just for practical purposes. I promise. Good enough. Good enough. Hi. Haven't done one of these in a while. If you are unfamiliar with what I usually do on TikTok, I'm post makeup, but like I'm always doing fairy related stuff. Like I make spirits of things, which can also be called fairies in my vocabulary. Like the last one I did was like the pumpkin fairy, and then there's like the fig fairy, and then there's like mermaid fairy or whatever. And so I'm just very into that kind of thing. And today I want to make just another fairy. Like if you put on extra makeup that's a little bit extra and put elf ears on yourself, you can just call yourself a fairy. And that's like, sometimes it's barely anything, but I'm hanging by those elf ears. They just, like, I have authority. If I put elf ears, I'm like, but ears, that means I'm a fairy. So I don't know. I have a couple of ideas, a couple of makeup color schemes. Nothing too specific, but I don't like specifics. Sometimes I have a couple of vibes in my mind and I just go off of that, and then the look itself presents to me without me knowing exactly where it's going sometimes. So I can't tell you exactly what it's gonna look like, but I'm like, you're gonna see the finished look on the thumbnail. That's why you clicked, so you know before I do. I'll list all of the products down below. I can keep showing you the products that I'm using. It kills the momentum. So I'm just gonna do my thing, and we're in this together. So let's begin the journey. See, that's what I'm worried about. What the I'm working with a new tripod and I'm still getting used. It just keeps moving and I can't. Also, I know you've seen her. She wanted a little bit of attention in the video. What can I say? I had one here last week, so I guess my body likes symmetry and irony, because this is a joke. Anyway, setting, primer, spray. And also I'm afraid to get too much into the makeup and just kind of let it disappear, because I do that. I go too close to the mirror because I'm blind as a bat. And in any case, that's your warning, so if I do that, please forgive me. Haven't used skin colored foundation for a while. I always do white clown face because I love it. And I actually wanted to do this today as well, but this one is easier to take off, and I need to look like a human, kind of, from time to time. I want to block out my eyebrows. I'm not gonna do the glue thing, like I'm not going to actually block them, but I'm just gonna put a lot of concealer. I guess when I have the balls I will eventually in a deranged phase of my life bleach them out for real, but like for now I'm just makeup. I really like bleached eyebrows. There's something extremely amazingly off-putting, not off-putting but like uncanny valley about someone who has dark eyes and no eyebrows. Like, I don't know, I like it. It's weird because usually, you know, you have like no eyebrows and usually blue eyes and like very soft hair, but like dark eyes with no eyebrows and no lashes, it's like, whoa. Like the queers will understand me, you know, like I don't expect straight people to get that. Why weird looking faces are very interesting. I feel like straight people are like, but it's not pretty, it doesn't accentuate the face. I don't want to accentuate the face. I want to look like I'm not from this world, you know? Like my goal is to look otherworldly, above human. I don't want to look human, I want to look like a spirit from the forest. I am Fae, you know? Let's block those suckers out. Oh my god, I love it. Ooh, it's fucking crazy. I look terrible, I love it. What's this? What's this? No, 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 no. What is this? Oh, you're right. I'm gonna have to watch that movie now that Halloween is approaching. I mean, I watched it 3,000 times, but like every year, fuck. My skin feels like a velvet. Cat hair on the brush. I feel like I move in the fairy clown spectrum. I'm something in between, like yes, fairy ears and like fairy, but also I put a lot of clown shit. And I love clown aesthetic. Can you be a clown fairy? I don't know if you can, but I am, so. The devil is a lie. Do 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 do. Banka tinka die. Do 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 do. It's like, it can be fine on one eye, but you have to make it symmetrical. You have two eyes. And my eyes are inherently not symmetrical, so it's even tougher. I'm working on an uneven canvas. As you can see, I work very erratically and intuitively, so that's why I'm no good for being like, no, I'm going to use this product, now this one. Just kind of like like working, like that's how I work on art too. I just kind of like touch this, touch that, then go back to this, then I'm just like, oh. So I can't be like, I'm going to do the blush now, okay? Which, fine, I respect people who are able to have such an organized brain, like, bless you. I can't. So it's just like, I feel myself in your watch. That's the best I can give you. It's quite something. Oj! Oj! Miau! Dime! Miau! Oh my god, ¿qué es todo esto? Yeah. Having to film just shows me how blind I am. Because I usually just go like this, but now I can't and I'm just like, oh shit. I just needed you to see this. She laid on all of the brushes, so I can't use them anymore. All of the brushes. Her butthole on the brushes. You don't understand. I don't understand. Don't understand. Fuck! Fucked it up. Fuck around and find out. If you can beat him, join him. If you can beat him, join him. You see how messy my process is. I'm gonna go charge the battery. Maybe I'll do a couple of thingies, but should charge it before it completely shuts off. Unbothered. Okay, yeah. I added something. White lines and dots and highlights. Sorry. I was about to continue filming and then my SD card went full and I had to put all of the videos in my hard disk on my computer. So while I waited, yeah, I told you I would put my hair down yet again. And this shirt is like, I actually got inspired by this shirt. I saw it in my closet and I was like, I'm gonna do something like with this color palette and stuff. So this is actually what inspired it, and the hair is wild and free again. You're comfy. She's laying on those brushes like it's the softest pillow, like, oh, the brushes, but piece de resistance. Okay, but I think that's it then. I think that's it. Do you like it? I really like it. I mean, I've done more complex looks. You know, they take more time, and this is not like the best thing I've ever done, but I'm really proud of it. Like, I'm really proud with how it turned out, given how much thought I put behind it, which is not a lot. So I think it's pretty solid. Yeah. Gonna go make a bunch of TikToks. I always play around with stuff. Oh, see? Wow, this would look amazing, but I don't know how to do that. To make it stay like this. Whoa, fuck, this would look amazing. How do you make this stay like this? There's this redhead girl, I can't remember her name, she does hair on TikTok, like real stuff. She'd know what to do. She'd know how to braid this into what I want. She'd know how to execute my vision. Ow. I like how I proceeded to like do the outro and be like, okay, thank you for watching, like, hope you liked it, and then spent 15 more minutes doing something. Now for real, this is it. I hope you liked it. Thank you for sticking around till the end of the video. Like and subscribe, yada yada yada. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and I'll see you guys around.